Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we review different products to help you make the right purchasing decision. Today we're going to be comparing two amazing espresso machines, the Breville Dynamic Duo and the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine. If you're a coffee lover, this video is for you. Don't forget to like the video, drop your comments, and subscribe to our channel. If budget is your main concern, the Breville Dynamic Duo may not be the best choice for you with its higher price point. However, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine is affordable and a great value for money. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine takes this category with its ability to grind and brew coffee beans with adjustable temperature and pressure settings. The Breville Dynamic Duo has amazing features, but it lacks the versatility of the Mueller machine. If you're looking for a complete barista kit, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine has everything you need to create a perfect cup of coffee at home or office, including a built-in steam valve to froth milk for latte. The Breville Dynamic Duo may not offer as much, but it's still great for home use. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine has a conical burr grinder that can grind coffee beans uniformly, while the Breville Dynamic Duo only has a portafilter. You can select the grind settings from fine to coarse with Mueller's grinder and create single or double batches according to your taste. Making coffee using the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine is easy and intuitive with its easy-to-use knob selector. Plus, it's easy to clean up afterward. However, the Breville Dynamic Duo may require more attention to detail but delivers high-quality coffee. And that's it. We've compared the Breville Dynamic Duo and the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine in different categories, so you can decide which one suits your needs better. Remember to like this video, share your thoughts with us in the comments section, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. See you in our next video.